Thank you. It's a video. Stupid. Just swap it.
What a wonderful Dive into this inlet of calm waters that merge with the soft currents of underground rivers. Listen to the breeze whisper and truly enjoy the allure of jungle. This beautiful paradise created by the Mayan gods will dazzle you with its unique landscapes. Give you a day of unlimited fun surrounded by the best of what nature, hospitality, and all-inclusive have to offer. Snorkel equipment, lockers, towels, life jackets, inner tubes, beach lounge chairs, bicycles, and unlimited food and beverages are just a few of the benefits that will make your experience even more extraordinary. Fly without wings on the walking rope, get refreshed on zip lines, and experience a whirlwind of sensations at the Cliff of Courage. Float free and safe, enjoy a moment in nature, and the best snorkeling fun, swimming among multicolored fish. Discover the land of on a bicycle adventure, or enjoy the The children's playground welcomes the youngest of our visitors with an unforgettable day full of fun activities. Through incredible optional activities, you will discover experiences that go beyond the limits of your imagination. Come face to face with dolphins, stingrays,